Cheesecake has a surprisingly rich history that dates back over 4,000 years to ancient Greece. It was served to athletes at the first Olympic Games as a source of energy. Back then, it was a simple mix of cheese, wheat, and honey, baked into a flat cake. Fast forward to the Romans, who upgraded the recipe into a sweet cake called libum. This was made with cheese and eggs, and served at celebrations. By the Middle Ages, cheesecake had spread across Europe, evolving into a custard-like treat. It wasn't until the late 1800s in New York that cream cheese was invented. This gave rise to the dense, creamy dessert we love today. Despite its name, cheesecake is more of a custard pie than a cake. But the term stuck because it's baked in a round pan and sliced like one. Isn't it fascinating how a dessert can carry so much history?